Welcome to your first day at IUC.
Alright, welcome to your first day of End School, lesson number 1. Alright, let's go ahead. I'm going to show you the ropes of End School. Go ahead and double click on the icon to the far middle here where it says End School, IUC. Go ahead and wait for it to boot up. Go ahead and put in your tutor number and your passcode and go ahead and log in. Okay, there's options for Korean and English. Okay, in this case, there's an icon to the far right-hand corner. You can click that and it can go into either Korean or English. You can make a room, okay, and you can see your face to make sure the video camera is working. Hey! Alright, great. Below are the various students that will be in your class. You can have anywhere, up to the amount of students that are per screen. If you look here, it has different mic inputs. Okay, over here, you have different options. Go ahead and fiddle with that, see what they do. Okay, let's go to materials. Let's go ahead and open up our materials for the classroom. Let's look at the materials and see what we have to teach. And obviously, you can have that open. Okay, good. Now, let's go ahead and go into File. You can click on File here. You can look at your material, and you can go back and forth between your material. Okay, so you can teach your lesson seamlessly. Okay, now, if you go ahead and just look at everything, fiddle with it, go ahead and click out, and it's easy as that. Welcome to End School.